So hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can do the practice with the ChatGPT. It will help your English fluency. So let's start. There is a one voice icon. So you have to touch that. I want to ask you one thing. Could you teach me some advanced vocab?
Absolutely. I'd love to. Is there a particular topic or area you want to focus on, like academic words, business vocabulary, or just general advanced words you can use?
For fluency.
Got it. So for general fluency, we can focus on words that add nuance and precision. For example, words like intricate, meaning complex, subtle, a small detail, or consequently, to show a result. Would you like a few example sentences with these, or do you have any specific kinds of words in mind?
No, could you give me the example?
Of course. Let's take a few examples. For instance, you could say, the instructions were intricate, requiring careful attention to each step. Or she gave a subtle smile, not wanting to draw too much attention. And you could say, he missed the deadline, consequently, the project was delayed. If you want, I can give more examples or different words.
So, okay, that's good. One thing I want to know.
Of course. What else would you like to know? I'm here to help with any other vocabulary, grammar, or even just practicing conversation if you'd like.
Okay. So one thing, in a one day, how minutes and how hours I should practice?
That's a great question. There's no super strict rule, but consistency is key. Even 30 minutes to an hour a day can make a big difference. The important part is to keep it regular. So maybe split it up, like 20 minutes in the morning, 20 minutes in the evening, and you'll build that fluency over time.
Thank you. So again, I'm saying to you, thank you.
You're absolutely welcome. I'm really happy to help. So anytime you need something, just reach out.
So you have seen that. So if you don't have any friend, so your friend is ChatGPT. So go and ChatGPT with that practice. AI is so advanced, so you can also do the practice with ChatGPT. So next video I'm going to tell you how you can do the practice with the human.